Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I brought out my registered US mail lock that I have. So as you recall, yesterday I had the challenge lock made by Panda Frog, which he made out of one of these locks, but this one is mine. It's been untouched, and you can see, beautiful lock. It is a type S, and it has not been opened, not even been done anything with. And on this side is the counter. So basically, when you turn the shackle, then this counter will count up, and it won't go back unless if you take the lock apart and reset it, but it will go up to 99.99 and stop. So anyway, when I got this guy, I did not have a key, but I did make one. So, and it does work really well. Get a good close up there. It's kind of nice. It's very nice to have one of these guys. Beautiful locks, and they are a lot of fun to have. And it is heavy, nice, all brass. So let's show how it does work. Obviously, the key, every time I do this, is going to count up. How come the key's not going in? Oh, I have the key upside down. That's why. There we go. Duh. Anyway, okay, there we go. I have to pull it out just a tiny bit for it to work for me. So you can see the counter as I turn it, and it will count up a number. It won't go back. There we go. So yeah, it does work really well. So let's get this picked open, and we'll do the same thing as we did the other one. We'll use just a regular tension tool at the top of the keyway, and then I'll use my cheap Huck pick, and of course the pins are really far back in the lock, so that's why I'm using this one, so I can reach back there. Plus it's it doesn't matter how thick they are. We have so much room in this keyway, it's not even funny. Anyway, so I'll go back to pin 3. Got a little bit of tension. Get back to pin 3 and start with that one. Doesn't seem like there's anything there. Let's try 2. Nothing there. Pin 1. Got a little bit. Felt like a little bit of something there. So pin 2. No. Pin 3. Kind of hard to say. Not really hard clicks on this yet. Definitely feels like there's some really strong springs in this guy. Okay, pin 2. So this is just a 3-pin lock, and we got it open. There we go. It's picked open. You can see it start turning. Yeah, so this is just a 3-pin, regular pin tumbler, but a 3-pin lock. Does work really well. So there we go. And now we got the next number up. So I have definitely a long way to go until you get to that last number. But anyway, so there we go. That is it. That's the registered US mail lock. They're very cool locks. And this is the newer style type S. If you want to look up more about these, you can look up. There's some places online that talk about these, the different types and stuff like that. But wouldn't mind getting an older one with brass hardware or brass. I think it's brass pieces in there and everything. I just actually think this has plastic and stuff in there, but it's still nice to have. At least these ones are easier to get and they're not too expensive. But anyway, so there we go. That's all I have for you to get today. And I figured, well, since I had picked that challenge lock yesterday, bring this guy out so that we can see one that's been untouched. And definitely a little bit easier to do than the challenge lock. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and you leave a like, leave comments down below, and thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.